Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to on your S26 Ultra. As you can see, it's S26 Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to clean up your device in order to keep your device functioning properly. So if you had your device for a while but cannot move over time, is that device begins to slow down as stuff build up in memory, and of course as files are created and deleted. So I'm going to show you how to optimize your device. It's best that you do this depending on your usage every once in a while, so at least once per month or at least every 2 weeks or so if you're a heavy user, once per month if you are a relative normal user. All right, so the first thing you need is go to your settings. So go into your settings. Once you're in your settings guys, you're going to look for an option that's called device care. And of course, if you scroll down, it should be here. As you see, it's a symbol of a phone. It's gray. So go ahead and tap device care. And here you go. Now from here, it will show you your battery as the current battery level. It will show your storage use. And of course, how much is used out of the total storage. It will also show your memory. And of course, it will show you features that are off, such as app protection, and gives you some cool other features. Now what you want to do here is to go ahead and hit optimize now. But before you do, notice it says good optimize now to free up memory. So overall it's good. That's usually doesn't really need cleaning, but however I'm going to do it again just to show you. So optimize, you're going to hit optimize and it says optimizing. It shows you what it's doing. It shows you closes background apps. It shows you it says no high battery usage detected, so it's checking for stuff that's related to your device. And once you're finished, go ahead and hit done, and there you go. So we have moved from okay now, move from good now to great. And of course it says your care report has been updated. See what device care has done to keep your phone in good condition. So of course good now to great, and great is hard to beat. So of course, if yours is worse, it might be showing something else. And of course, that's how you clean your device, and it's all automatically done. You can go ahead and comment below. What was your state? Was it good, excellent, great, or needs cleaning, or some other status that was shown? All right, so I'm going to end the tutorial here. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.